guys, this is Claire from Katannuta Diamonds, and one of the most common questions we get from our clients and friends is how to keep your jewelry clean, or how to clean your jewelry once you've been wearing it. So if you take your engagement ring, for example, that's a ring you're wearing every day. You're probably not taking it off, so you're putting hand cream on with it on, you are putting treatments in your hair with it on, you're washing dishes with it on, and that's cool. But if you take a diamond ring, diamonds are hydrophobic, which means that they repel water, but they attract grease. So it is very easy for a diamond to get dirty very quickly. So we're sitting with one of our clients right now, and this is their diamond engagement ring, which she's been wearing for about 6 months, if I think, about 6 to 8 months. And you can see it's looking a little dirty. So I'm going to show you a quick home remedy that you can use to clean your jewelry very, very quickly. Listerine. This is the magic ingredient. So what we're literally going to do is pour some Listerine into a glass. Just take a regular glass from your kitchen. We're going to pour some Listerine in there, and we're going to carefully, very carefully slide the diamond ring into the Listerine, and we're literally going to swirl it round for about 30 to 60 seconds. And that's all we're going to do. So you don't want to swirl it so vigorously that the diamond is hitting the edges of the glass, or the ring is hitting the edges of the glass. We're literally going to move it around like that, so the ring is rotating, but it's not banging the edges. So we just swirl it around like that. We'll give it a few more times. Okay, take it out. Old toothbrush, and what we're going to do is literally brush all around the underside of the ring, and we're just going to get out as much of that gunk, as much of that hand cream, as much of that washing up liquid as we can. And we're just going to, whoops a daisy, we're just going to really get in there, really get under there and give it a good brush. It's a soft old toothbrush, so you're not going to damage the ring, you're not going to damage the diamonds by doing any of that. We'll just get in all the edges there, and then what we're going to do is put it back in there. We're just going to swirl it around a few more times just to release any of the dirt that the toothbrush knocked out there. And take it out of the Listerine. I'm going to put it in plain warm water, warm tap water, rinse it off a few times, and then just dry it off with a little microfiber cloth. Just very carefully working around the edges, rubbing over the stone. And what you'll see is that diamond looks a lot cleaner and a lot better than it did before. That is your quickest, easiest way to clean your jewelry at home. You can do it with morganite, you can do it with sapphires, you can do it with ruby. Just be careful, but Listerine, old toothbrush, warm water, and a microfiber cloth. Hope that helps you guys.